Hi guys, here's the thing. I am shooting Eastern Pro Tours 470 spine and what was it, 110 grains in the point. That means that I want to shoot 52 or 53 pounds on my bow, and that's no problem. I just turn out the limb bolts. But what happens then is I lose a lot of let off, and I want to have a lot of holding weight. So I was looking around for a solution, and I found these. These are called lucky draw stops, and they are supposed to increase your let off. So I'm shooting a PSE. What's it called? PerformX. And it's an amazing bow. It says it has 65% let off, but I don't think it has. I think it's more like 75, and I want to have more 65. I blacked out for a second. What I will do, I have this in the maximum let off, or at least the least amount of let off. I have it set to that. Sorry about this. And I want to check the draw holding weight now. I'll do this on camera. So peak weight 55 and holding 15.4. And I will just pause the camera, add these, and we'll see if there's a difference. Okay, I'm back. I've now changed draw stops. It looks like this now. Where's the camera? Here. Now we'll see if there's any difference. So I better write this down. Last was 55 and 15.4. Before I changed, reset. Holding weight 12.2. Hang on. Am I doing it right? Reset. Yeah, 18.2. That's better. And again. $18. So I've increased by 3 pounds, which was what I wanted. I will have to check now, because since it's longer, oops, it will decrease my draw length as well. So I might have to move it up to, I have now it's 28.5. I might have to move it up to 29. We'll see. I haven't shot it out in the real world yet. I just changed it, as you saw. So maybe I'll do an update on this after I have shot it for a while and tell you what I think. Thanks for now. Bye.